Yeah, it was going too fast. It's in the clouds now. It was over that way. There's a bird right there. There you go. Seek and you shall find. Knock and the door shall be open. The bird's like, ah. And the bill keeps finding me. Yeah, I found you again. I think I've seen another bird. Where'd it go? Oh, up there. Bird on a wire. That's a movie with Goldie Hawn. Yeah. And a guy actor, I can't think of his name. I think it's Kurt Russell, I could be wrong. Cute. There's one bird. Where'd the other one go? Oh, that's interesting. Amazing how they don't get shocked. As long as the wire's not messed up. Same for school. Today is Friday, the 16th of May, 2025.